A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Thursday's trading action at Dalal Street dated June 9th, 2022. In early action, SGX Nifty starts on a weak note indicating a rough session for stocks at Dalal Street in today's trade. The negativity can be attributed to overnight precarious session witnessed at Wall Street. The moves came as investors weighed updates from major companies and signs that economic growth may be slowing. Investors in USA are looking towards Friday's consumer price index trading for May. Many people believe the print will be crucial for the path of Fed policy and whether the central bank will keep raising rates in half-point increments. Yesterday, the RBI announced the much-expected 50 basis point rate hike and also updated the FY23 CPI inflation estimates from 5.7% to 6.7%. As a result, the benchmark indices fell from intraday altitudes and ended on a negative note. Please note, India's retail inflation surged 8-year high to 7.79% in April, breaching the upper limit of the RBI's target range for the fourth consecutive time. The surge was largely driven by rising fuel and food prices. Long story short, yesterday's fall likely to continue in today's trade as well. Along with the RBI outcome, the street will also have to face the wrath of several other negative catalysts like: first, World Bank slashes 2022 global growth forecast to 2.9%. Second, WTI crude oil rises to $123 a barrel, near 14-year high. Third, World Bank cuts India's GDP growth forecast to 7.5%. Fourth, the yield on the 10-year US Treasury note flirts around the 3% levels. Now, before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty closing price 16,356. Sell between 16,401 to 16,421. Strict stop at 16,665. Target 16,221 to 16,121. Aggressive targets at 15,901 mark. Bank Nifty closing price 34,946. Sell between 35,001 to 35,075 zone. Strict stop at 36,421. Target 34,600 and then at 34,179. Aggressive targets at 33,000 mark. The Nifty options data for June series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 15,700 to 16,700 zone. Maximum call open interest is at 17,500 followed by 17,000 strike price. So 17,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 16,000 levels followed by 15,500 levels. Call writing was seen at 16,500 and then at 16,600 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 16,500 and then at 16,600 strike price. In yesterday's trade, FIS sold shares worth rupees 2,484 crores while DIS bought shares worth rupees 1,904 crores. Stocks banned in F&O segment for today: Delta Corp. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 02240767373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.